How to change calories in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. At the bottom, you can see here different options like the dashboard, diary, news feeds, plans, and the more option. You have to click on the more option, and this way you can see that how to change calories. You have to move to the goals here, click on it, and you can see here the calories of the foods. Like click on any of the foods, click on the calories here. In this way you can change your calories on food from here like this. I'm going to change my calories and click on save. In this way you can change your calories in MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.